In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload contacts as a CSV file in GoHighLevel tutorial. Before we begin, a quick note on preparation so your upload goes smoothly. Make sure your contact list is saved as a CSV file, not Excel or another format. Include a header row with clear column names, like first name, last name, email, and phone. Keep phone numbers in a consistent format, ideally with country codes, and double-check that emails are valid. If you plan to segment later, consider adding columns in your CSV for tags or source. Cleaning duplicates in advance can save time, but GoHighLevel can also help you handle duplicates during the import process. Once you're inside your GoHighLevel account and looking at the main dashboard, head straight to Contacts. You'll find Contacts in the main navigation. This is the central place where your entire list lives and where you can see all contact activity and segments. Opening Contacts ensures you're in the right workspace to bring in new records, apply filters later, and manage engagement. With Contacts open, go ahead and click on Import. This opens the Import panel where you'll attach your CSV and guide GoHighLevel on how to read your data. Choose your CSV file from your computer and confirm the file size looks reasonable. The system will quickly scan the headers and present a field mapping screen. Here, match each column in your CSV to the correct GoHighLevel field. For example, map first name to first name, email to email, and so on. If you have a column that doesn't match an existing field, you can map it to a custom field you've already created, or skip it if it's not needed. As part of the import settings, you may see options to set a default status, assign a source, or add tags. This is a great time to label the entire import with something like a campaign tag so you can filter these contacts later. If there's a deduplication option, enable it to avoid creating multiple records for the same email or phone number. Only import contacts you have permission to message, and if there are opt-in indicators in your CSV, map those fields correctly. When everything looks correct, confirm the import. The process may take a moment, especially for larger files. After it completes, refresh your contacts view and spot check a few records to verify that names, emails, and phone numbers landed in the right places, and that your tags and sources are visible. If anything seems off, adjust your CSV headers or mappings and re-import as needed. That's it. Your contacts are now uploaded and ready for campaigns, workflows, and follow-ups inside GoHighLevel.